York County 911, do you need police, fire, medical? Where at?
Responders that have a good understanding of interoperable communications have a more efficient response and a more effective response throughout South Carolina in any incident, whether it's fire, law enforcement, emergency management, or EMS.
To achieve interoperability, communications could be as simple as taking two people from two different agencies and pairing them up to relay information back and forth, or it could be as simple as swapping radios from two different agencies, or one agency could have a cache of radios available that if another agency comes into a system, that they can just hand them some radios and can be able to communicate that way.
Interoperable communications in South Carolina is critical. We are a small state. We have a relatively low population, and we have many communities in our state that don't have the resources of a large community. Interoperable communication is critical to us to be able to pool the resources from across the state together so that in a disaster we can support each other, we can back each other up, we can get the emergency response to where it's needed and be able to communicate once we arrive on scene.
The benefit for agencies or organizations of having online training available is tremendous. Many agencies have very limited budgets and are short of personnel. Online training offers personnel the ability to capitalize on any downtime, as well as offers them the flexibility to train at their own pace.
These modules will give first responders an understanding of how to use these experienced and trained amateur radio operators in utilizing them in their operations.
Well, the partnership with ETV has really been helpful because with the staff and crew at ETV, it brings a degree of professionalism to all the state emergency responders and what we need to do and how we need to get that message across.
The online communications training project was a collaboration with South Carolina ETV. This collaboration was more of a partnership, and we're very fortunate to have that partner in South Carolina ETV. Communications interoperability is the critical component of an effective response. Understanding the limitations and the strengths of your communication system and your equipment is what this program is all about.